Hello guys, Silver Butterflies here. I just applied scent on myself, and before I forget, I will tell you what is what. I'm discovering Leaves of Tree company, and I try this all. So this is the face mask. It says brightening. It's quite potent smell. It's too much for me, but maybe someone will like it. The other scent is different. Like for instance, this is lavender argan. I applied it. It's lotion. It's anti-stress. Again, lavender, most of the people favorite note, not mine, but sometimes I like it to extent if it's not too overpowering. Lotion, pink grapefruit argan. So this is, I think, the most pleasant of the whole kit I have here. Grapefruit argan lotion. Then it goes two deodorants. One is eucalyptus and mint, and one is lavender tangerine. So eucalyptus and mint is quite strong. Remind me of some balm from my childhood in Soviet Union. It's called Star and created by some Vietnamese company. And here is deodorant lavender tangerine. I like the thing is here more tangerine part than lavender, and this is unusual. Maybe I even use it because in the beginning I was thinking like too strong, but this one tangerine one is not that strong, so I can use it as a deodorant. So two deodorants, one face mask, and two lotions. And it's in such kit. It's like a very cute kit. It was given me as a gift from a girlfriend and a friend of someone who has this company. So somewhere here in downtown where I am from. This was Calm Balm. Again, it's very lavendery balm. You can use it for skin and also argan oil lavender, like this. Leaves of trees. I will open it and will use it for my skin because it's very good on antioxidant and treatment. Here's the pictures and the postcards. Leaves of trees. That's for this. About Calm Balm. Endless Zoom meetings. Returning to the office or demanding kids putting your stress level in overdrive. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and apply Calm Balm. Well, it's not for everyone. Like I'm not in a Zoom meeting, so I'm at home. This is a Leaves of Trees face mask. Let your bright shine through. It's something interesting. Like maybe you should put that mask and then clean it and then put some lotion afterwards. Multi-fruit BSC fruit acid complex contain alpha hydroxy acids, including lactic acids and glycolic acids. How to use: apply on face, avoiding eye area. Leave it for 10 minutes, and then wipe with warm wash cloth. Oh, that's what it is. It's that purple one. Face mask, the blue actually. This is Leaves of Tree deodorants, two types, which is I already applied on myself, and I kind of like it. It's very organic-y. And this is the argan oil. The fact is, here I read, it takes one woman 20 hours to prepare 1 liter of oil, of that argan oil. Try leaves of trees, argan oil, and you'll understand why it's known as liquid gold. So I'll check this out. I put it in my cupboard, in my shower room. So that's it for now. I decided to make this review, although it's not paid review, so up to you guys. Check it out. I maybe even put some address at the end. You can check it out here, leavesoftrees.com. So that's it for now. More later. I'm your silver butterfly. I have to fly somewhere.